The greater the ambiguity, the greater the pleasure by Milan Kundera. Ambiguity is not a flaw in life or art. It's a source of depth, beauty, and emotional richness. For Kundera, ambiguity opens the door to multiple meanings, interpretation, and feelings. It resists simplicity, forcing us to engage more deeply with what we see, read, or experience. The quote reflects his belief that true love, identity, and art are not singular or absolute. They are layered, uncertain, and open-ended. Kundera often wrote about the contradiction within people, how one can love and hate, desire and fear, remember and forget at the same time in his view to be human, to be ambiguous. Freedom feels both joyful and terrifying. Love brings both ecstasy and pain. For Kundera, these contradictions are not problem to solve. They are what make life real. So when he says the greater the ambiguity, the greater the pleasure, he's celebrating the fullness of human experience. When something is ambiguous, it reflects that truth that life can't be reduced to clear answer or moral absolutes. We take pleasure in ambiguity because it mirrors our own complexity, our emotions, choices, and thoughts that can never be entirely explained. Kundera was also deeply aware that great art, in this sense, ambiguity is the essence of art's beauty. It transforms art from something passive into an experience that demands engagement and reflection. Many of Kundera's work explore romantic and emotional ambiguity, the tension between desire and guilt, attachment and independence. In relationship, feelings are rarely clear-cut. We can care deeply for someone and still hurt them. We can seek closeness while fearing it at the same time. The pleasure Kundera speaks of can also be found in this emotional complexity. Love that is perfectly defined and predictable might be safe, but it lacks mystery. Ambiguity in love, the uncertainty of how the other feels, the thrill of not knowing what comes next, brings intensity and depth. Kundera reminds us that pleasure often comes from uncertainty, from the play of imagination and emotion that arise when nothing is entirely fixed or guaranteed. Kundera's quote can be understood as a statement about aesthetic, emotional, and philosophical maturity. The ability to find pleasure in ambiguity shows a deeper appreciation for life's richness. In art, ambiguity invites curiosity and imagination. In relationship, it gives depth and mystery. In thought, it opens the mind to multiple perspectives. In life, it teaches acceptance of uncertainty and imperfection. So when Kundera says, the greater the ambiguity, the greater the pleasure, he's not advocating confusion. He's praising openness, complexity, and wonder. Ambiguity is what makes life and art endless, interpretable, endlessly alive. Milan Kundera quote expresses that ambiguity is not the enemy of meaning. It is its source. It connects to ambiguity because it celebrates multiple meanings rather than fixed truth. It values uncertainty as a space for creativity, freedom, and curiosity. It reflects the emotional and moral complexity of real human life. It finds pleasure in mystery, contradiction, and open-endedness. Kundera teaches us that ambiguity is beauty, that the lack of certainty is not something to fear, but something that makes life richer, art more powerful, and understanding more profound.